Hi, I'm Harsha Chelaram from YAMA Foundation, and welcome to Accessible Audio Yoga. Episode 6 is a midday break. For those of us who feel tired in the middle of the day, this short sequence will help refresh you by bringing circulation to the head and energizing you for the rest of the day. Begin in mountain pose. Start standing tall with the feet close together, toes pointing forwards. Bring the arms alongside the body, palms facing forwards. Lengthen the spine and relax. Palm tree stretch. Raise the arms forwards and upwards overhead with the palms facing each other. Raise the heels off the ground, coming on your tip toes. Hold steady. Keep your eyes fixed on a point in front of you. Exhale, slowly lower down. Return to mountain pose. Standing forward bend. Place the hands on the hips and hinge forward from the hips, bringing the head towards the floor. If you can reach the floor, place the hands on the floor. If not, just allow the arms and the back of the neck to dangle down. If you have any discomfort in the lower back, bend the knees or release out of the pose carefully. Hold here and relax. Standing forward bend and twist. From here, in the forward bend, we will do a twist. Place the right hand to the outside of the left leg, wherever you can reach. Bring the left arm out to the side and up. Twist the body looking to the left, and enjoy that intense twist to the spine. Hold for a few breaths. Release the arms down and return to the standing forward bend. Next, we twist to the other side. Place the left hand to the outside of the right leg. Stretch the right arm out to the side. Twist the whole body to the right and look up. Enjoy the deep twist. Hold for a few breaths and then return to center. Chair pose. From the standing forward bend, bend your knees and lower the hips, pretending that you are about to sit in a chair behind you. Reach the arms forwards alongside the ears, and then lift the torso up as far as it'll comfortably go. You will be arching the spine in a back bend, and it's quite a deep stretch, so allow the breath to flow as you hold in this pose. To come out, extend the legs, reaching up tall, and then lower the arms by your side, returning into mountain pose. Triangle pose right. Step the feet apart about 3 feet. Turn the right foot outwards 90 degrees, and the left foot remains pointing forward or slightly inward. Raise the arms out to the sides at shoulder level. Reach to the right and take hold of the right leg with the right hand, bringing the left arm up toward the ceiling. You can look towards the floor, in front of you, or upwards, and hold for a few moments. To come out, reach upwards and return the whole body to center and bring both feet forward. Triangle pose left. To practice on the other side, now we turn the left foot out 90 degrees, with the right foot pointing forwards or slightly inwards. Stretch the arms out to the sides at shoulder level. And now we reach to the left side, taking hold of the left leg with the left hand and bringing the right arm up towards the ceiling. Find a comfortable position for your neck and hold the pose while breathing nice and easy. To come out, stretch upwards and return to center. Have both feet facing forward. Return to mountain pose with the feet close together and place the palms in front of your heart center. Give yourself a moment of gratitude for looking after your well-being. This concludes episode 6, Om Shanti, which means may you be filled with peace. Thank you.